with the music, I do it with passion. Yeah. You see me thumbing through hundreds for all this designer, in love with the fashion. Yeah. I'm a moonwalk with the money, they calling me Michael, I'm feeling like Jackson. And I ain't like none of you niggas, you know I'm a boss, I ain't wanna like capping. Yeah. I wanna run up the money, in love with the music, I do it with passion. Yeah. You see me thumbing through hundreds for all this designer, in love with the fashion. Yeah. I'm a moonwalk with the money, they calling me Michael, I'm feeling like Jackson. And I ain't like none of you niggas, you know I'm a boss, I ain't wanna like capping. Yeah.
Anyway, what's going on, guys? Today we're back with another video, and in today's video, as you can tell by the title, we do have a crazy unboxing. It's not crazy, it's from Nike, but it is just, it's nothing crazy, but it's two sneakers, so that's what I could say. Anyway, yeah, we do got two sneakers right here. So I did have a gift card that I got for Christmas from, I don't even know who I got it from, but I think I got a gift card, and basically I had 150, because I got two gift cards. One was 100, one was 50. And I had 150 for Nike, right? Is that what I did? I had a $100 Amazon gift card, right? And I bought another Nike gift card with it, so I had 250 for Nike. And basically, I got these two pairs of sneakers for 250. One of them I paid retail for, which was 160, which you could probably guess by the retail price. And then one of the other ones was on sale for 50, so do the math-ish. It was something like that, I don't know. But if you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button, because I'm pretty much posting every single day. I'm going crazy this entire year. I'm not even gonna make a schedule for me, because I know if I make a schedule, I'm always gonna want to do more than my schedule. So it's pretty much gonna be like everyday uploads, or like every other day. Some days I might take off like during the week because of school and stuff, but I'm gonna try to upload just basically as much as possible throughout 2020, because I really do want to hit this 100K, and like that's what I'm saying. So follow me on Instagram at paul.souls, get me to 6,000 followers on there, and I will be doing a giveaway. If you didn't see yesterday's video, go check it out. I just filmed that. It was another unboxing from GOAT, so make sure you go check that out. But we got two more sneakers here today, so I could have made a triple unboxing, but I spread it out for two videos so that way I can get you guys more content and some more ad revenue. No, I'm playing. I mean, not really, but like, you guys, the struggle's real. Like, come on, you guys know how it is out here.
I said, if don't nobody support me, I'm gonna support myself.
Yeah, but anyway, gotta get that breach somewhere or another. But don't worry, I love all you guys, and pretty much everything I do on this channel is for you guys, obviously, because I would not be here without you guys, and I genuinely do appreciate all the support I get from you, whether it's in the YouTube comment section, whether you DM me on Instagram, whether you just like my photos on Instagram, whether you just add me on Snap. It's just greatly appreciated all around, and I do love every single one of you, whether you hate me or not. I love you. Whether you're just watching me to roast me, I still love you. Like, you're still watching my videos, so I still love you. But anyway, I'm gonna stop all the talking, and we're just gonna open this giant box. Now, I gave you guys a hint to what one of these sneakers could be in a different video, you know, for my loyal people out there that be watching like every single video. I said you would have known that I ordered two sneakers off of Nike, and basically one of the sneakers is a Jordan, and it is a Jordan that I was very sketchy about, and I've seen it multiple times in stores with Will. If you guys seen all those vlogs, and me and Will have seen it in like all those vlogs, and I was like, I'm gonna get these one day, I'm gonna try them out, I'm gonna see if I actually like them, blah blah blah, all that. So you know what, I'm just gonna open it, stop what it's talking real quick. Oh, those come in a brown box? I didn't even know that. That's dope. But as you can see right here, we got two boxes. You got the receipt, please. This is how all those old sneakerhead YouTubers used to do it. They receipt, please, and then wag it at the camera, but now nobody even cares. So, boom. I don't want any shoes falling out. Right here, Nike. I was gonna say Nike Jordan, just a Jordan 1 box. And then this box right here is one that I'm actually pretty excited for, because I've seen this model in person, but not the colorway, and it was on sale. So this is the box. No, it's not the Air Force One N354 or whatever they're called. I don't know what it's actually called. It is the Nike Drop Type Mid. So you know what, I'll open this one first. We'll save the Jordan one for after, but you know, double sneaker unboxing. So you know, you guys better hit that subscribe button if you're new to the channel, and you better leave a like on this video. It's actually, if you guys don't leave a like on the video, just leave a like on the video like every day, because it does help my videos get out there more. Apparently this is what I've heard. Every single like if I get a lot of likes on a video, more than my usual, like say I get 200 likes on this video, and then tomorrow's video gets like 400 likes, that video will go into mad people's recommendation boxes. So like, you know, if you just want to keep liking my videos every single day and just get me out there, that'd be greatly appreciated. So, you know, just hit that like button. It would just mean a lot. It takes 2 seconds out of your day. You could just do it right now while I'm talking. You could just literally watch the video and hit the like button at the same time. So just hit that like button. But these right here, I'm very excited to see. Now, I got these for $50 $50. It was 40 something, $50. No, it was $49.95 or some weird Nike price. I don't know, but it was $50 for these right here. Boom, size 10. If you guys know what this model is, I bet you don't though. I bet you it's one of those things that you probably have never seen. This is another sneaker that was on my wish list, but not this color. I wanted the other color, but then I liked this color more in the pictures than I did the sneaker that was on my wish list. So, you know, if you watched yesterday's video, I'm getting my wish list stuff. I told you guys I'm not capping. So let's just open this because I'm very excited to see what these look like in person. It is a very funky sneaker, I'm not gonna lie. It's different. It's different, so don't violate me in the comments. It basically is, I'll just show you. It basically is a blazer right here. As you can see, oh, these are tough. Wait, hold up. Oh yeah, these are tough. These are tough. It's making everything blue, but like, I was like, I didn't order blue. But these, boom. It is the Nike drop type sneaker. Now they did this with the Air Force One, where they did this N345. I don't know what exactly, I don't really understand exactly what it is. So if you guys do know, let me know down below in the comment section. But they did this with the Air Force Ones, and then I guess this is supposed to be the blazer version, but they're not calling it a blazer, which I find is weird because it's literally a blazer. So I'm just gonna call it a blazer, but it's a Nike drop type sneaker. Basically a drop top, but drop type. I don't really get it. But Nike drop type mid, so it's basically a blazer, but with that N354 branding, and like it's like meshes and stuff. It's got all this stuff. Like look what's in here. Like what is this? Look at this. This is dope. I mess with this. This is like cool. Look, ready? Wait, we're gonna read it. N354 captures the innovation nature of Nike while creating a place to test ideas. This N354 label collection explores protection, underfoot comfort, and traction. Risk plus stress. FTW Nike. What did I just buy? I like this. This is fire. Yo, good execution by Nike. I really do like this. I like this whole thing that's going on with this. It's kind of like a sample. Like it's supposed to feel like a sample, and I feel like that's so dope. Like I don't want to take this off now. Like now I want to keep this on. Now I want to keep this receipt on my foot. Like that's fire. So this right here, like again, I don't know what this is supposed to be, but again, they just said that they're testing stuff out, just doing this for this. But they're basically making these shoes for fun. Like, and I mess with it. I really do. They look, don't get me wrong, they look really bad tied up like this, but trust me, when I loose lace it and I make it look better and I make it look like my blazers, because that's how the blazers always come. They always come like choked up and like they just don't look like, look, I mean, if you guys didn't see yesterday's video, go watch it, but I'm about to spoil it. Like these right here that I got yesterday, the Sakai's, they're mad choked up. I have to untie those, put the gray laces in, but like same thing with these. I'm gonna tie these, put these on feet. So I'll definitely do a review on these because I feel like this is a very, very unique sneaker, and I feel like a lot of people don't know about this, and I want people to know about this. So these right here, this is fire. So make sure you stay tuned for the review and on foot for these, because I'm definitely gonna make these look 10 times more valid, because again, they do look very weird when they're choked up. Like they look long, they look like boats. So again, this is only a size 10, like so I'm sorry for the people that like size 12. They're gonna look like canoes out there, but it's okay. N354, I really do mess with these. So this again was $50 on Nike. I don't know if the sale is still there, but they have a bunch of different colorway of these, and they have Air Force Ones like this. So if you want to go check it out, Nike drop type mid, and then the N354 collection, which is where you can see these and like the other models. They have a low version of this too, which is basically a blazer low, but it's probably just Nike drop type. All right, next sneaker. Enough talking about the Nike drop top. These right here. This is what I'm most excited about, but those kind of got me hype. I don't know why. Again, guys, you know I like weird stuff, but these are here. Air Jordan 1 Retro High OG. I'm not gonna read the colorway because I don't want to spoil it, but let's just open this because I really want these to be like fire. Like when I see them on the shelves, I don't like them. When I see people wearing them on Instagram and I see when they change the laces, I like them. So we're gonna open this, and hopefully your boy likes it, because you know I've been getting a lot of Jordan 1 lows lately, so you know it'd be a nice refreshment to get a high in here that's fire. So let's go. The Air Jordan Retro 1 High OG Bloodline. Boom. I got them. Your boy got them, and I'm gonna be honest. Hold up. These are tough. These are tough. Okay. These are tough. Like, I wish they would come with regular black laces, but they come with these laces that are like, look, it says, I don't know what it says on them, I'm gonna read it in a second, but it has like red writing on it, obviously for the bloodline theme. But like, I feel like they would just look fire with plain black laces, so I'm definitely gonna put black laces in them because I don't like the red laces in them. That's my thing. But apparently they come with white, so I didn't know if they came with white, so maybe I'll try out the white laces. But I feel like the black laces would just make the red tone down a little bit, because I don't really like red sneakers, which I know, say what you want, but I like this because the red is very minimalistic and you don't see it as much. And I feel like if I put in the black laces, it'll definitely tone down the red a lot. So yeah, the Jordan Retro 1 Bloodline right here. Now, I would have never bought these like regularly, but since I did have that Nike gift card, I was like, you know what, I'm gonna try it out because I might actually like these, and plus it's a good like color change up for me, because you guys know I just be getting like Jordan 1s that look like the Royals, the Shadows, the Breads, like Jordan 1s like that. And then I did get the Jordan 1 what it was called, the Turbo Greens, and that's a change of color for me too. So you know what, I was like, you know, I'm gonna get these because they're black and red. I'll probably be able to wear them with everything. So yeah, and Jordan 1s are just my favorite, so like you can't go wrong with these. Very, very excited. Expect a lot of Jordan 1s this year. I'm definitely gonna build my Jordan 1 collection back up because I don't know what I was doing when I sold all my Jordan 1s in the first place, but your boy's getting his Jordan 1 collection back up. So yeah, Jordan Retro 1 Bloodlines. Now I think these things go, these go hard. I do like these a lot. I'm definitely gonna wear them. I'm not gonna sell these. This will definitely be one of those shoes that I probably just wear, like, it'll probably be like my shadows. I feel like this is gonna become one of my shadows, especially if I put black laces in, because I feel like I'll be able to just throw these on whenever. So I really do like these. But that was the 2 Nike sneaker pickups. So we got the Jordan 1 Bloodline and the Nike drop tops. But yeah, these 2 right here, 2 very good pickups for, I think it was 2 something in total. I don't know, 160 and 50. You guys could do the math. That's like 210. Yeah, I might have been bugging. I don't know what I was doing with my calculations before. But yeah, make sure you go check out yesterday's video, the Sacai unboxing, even though I just gave it away. But if you didn't check it out, make sure you go check it out. And yeah, that's pretty much it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed. I will be back with a new video tomorrow. As always, go follow me on Instagram at paul.souls. It's in the background of every single video. Add me on Snap at paul_albano. I'm going stupid this year, so it would just be greatly appreciated if you went and go follow me on all platforms, because I'm gonna hit 100K this year, and I'm gonna hit, and I'm gonna hit 6K on Instagram, and I'll do a giveaway. But I'm gonna hit like way more on Instagram this year, so don't worry. I don't really have a set number for Instagram. It's mainly YouTube I'm worried about, but go follow me on Instagram because I'll be doing fit pics and all that stuff on there. So yeah, that's pretty much it for today. Hope you guys enjoyed. I'll be back with a new video tomorrow, as always, and we out. 2020, we're going crazy.
Coming down, I'm riding around. I need you now, I don't know how. You go and bow all the things that I did. You don't wanna reminisce.